How to send photos in TikTok message. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send pictures in your TikTok message. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to update your TikTok to its latest version. So head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. After you've searched for it, you'll get the update option. Tap on update to the latest version. After you've done that, you can open up your TikTok and then head over to your inbox. Now on your inbox, select the chat where you want to send a picture in, and after you do that, you will see an option that is this icon here, and then you can select that to send the pictures that are in your gallery. Now select the picture and then you can send it. The other way you can send a photo in your TikTok is by tapping on this camera icon. After you tap on the camera icon on the left hand side, you can take a picture and then send it. Tap on the send button and there you have it. And that is basically how you can send photos in TikTok message, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.